Hi guys, this is a video from our channel Harvest Info. Today we'll be seeing on how to do some magic tricks in Zoom meeting. This is going to be a fun video. If you are new to this channel is meant for some music and technology. We have seen some coding videos and some useful apps. You will be getting more advantages from this channel. So if you want, you can subscribe to this channel and click on the like button. Okay, now let us get into the video. So, to do some magic tricks in Zoom calls, you should have Zoom obviously, and if you want to do some video tricks that we are going to see in this video, you will probably need OBS Studio. You can go to this link and download the app. I'll post the link in the description box. Okay, now I'm in a meeting in Zoom. You can go to OBS Studio and click on this plus button. It will show you bunch of options. You can click on video capturing device. So here we can do some editing on the video and we can link it to the Zoom meeting. We will be discussing more about this as we go further. First, we can select our webcam from this option. In my case, it is USB 2.0. In your case, it is the name of your camera. So normally, your size of the webcam will be like this, and it will not cover the whole frame. So we can make it full screen by dragging while clicking on the shift button. I'm saying to click on the shift button because if you do not press it, it will be dragging on the same ratio and therefore you will not be able to make it full screen. If you want to crop the video, you can press on the Alt key. So if you have done everything you wanted to do, we can click on the Start Virtual Camera. We can go back to Zoom and we can select the OBS Studio in the video settings. So at last, we have the amazing edited video in Zoom. There are more tricks that you can do, so let us see that too. So there is a lot of things we can do now. We can edit our video by right clicking the video and selecting filter. Then we can choose this plus button and we can do many things. We can click on this plus button and select color correction. In this color correction, there will be a lot of sliders. You can investigate by sliding each of the slider. There is a chroma key option in here. This works if you have a green screen like this, so that you could select the green color and remove the background. You don't need this because we have the same option in Zoom. I'm just saying it so that you guys can know that this option is also present in OBS. So let us come back to this section. We can click on this plus button and select text. If we do that, a new pop-up menu will be opening up. In this box, you can type anything and you can select color over here. We can place this text anywhere in the video and we can resize it. We can change the color by clicking on select color. I'm going to choose the color black. In Zoom, from your point of view, in the video section, you might see that the text has been mirrored, but it is not really mirrored. The other person in the meeting can see the text clearly. It has been mirrored so that the other person in the meeting can see it clearly. Now we will select the color source. This will give you a box with a random color. Do not worry, we can change the color and we can resize it by clicking and dragging, but at the same time we need to press the shift button so that we could keep it anywhere and at any shape. We kept text and shapes on top of video, but there is more. You can place an image on top of the video too. To do so, you can select image from the options and in the pop-up menu, you need to click on the browse to select your image. After you select the image, you can resize it by pressing shift or just by dragging it normal. If you want to show the images like a slideshow, you can select the image slideshow option. In this, you could select duration of each image and the duration of the transition, the types of transition, and at last, you could select the images and rearrange it by clicking on these buttons. We all know that there is a share screen option in Zoom. We use it to share our screen, but what if I tell that you do not need to click on the share screen option in Zoom to share screen? You can do that by selecting the display capture and resizing it to the frame. Technically, we have not shared our screen here. We are showing our screen through our video. If we off our video, the sharing stops. If we share our screen through the video in OBS, we could ask our friends to try annotating the share screen, but they will not be able to annotate as this is a video. So that is all for today guys. I will see you in my next video. Thank you and bye bye.